Hi everyone, my name is Carson Anyway here on this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If this is your first video checking me out, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I did this maroon purplish look. I went to go attend a banquet, and that's why I'm doing my intro and my outro a little bit late from when I filmed, and in my whole outfit because we just came back and I didn't have enough time to film it when we were leaving. So this is the full entire look, and we will get into the video and just keep watching. And yeah, so let's get into the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and let's get into doing this look. Hi everyone, my name is Carson Anyway. This is voiceover Carson. Intro Carson told you what we're doing today. We are doing a get ready with me. I'm going to a banquet for my husband's work, so I decided I'm gonna film it. Why not? Because I'm gonna do a really cool, pretty makeup look, so I wanted to show it with you guys. So what we're doing today, I didn't really have, what I kind of wanted to do in my head. Because, I mean, honestly, that's every single time I sit down and do makeup. I don't really know what I want to do yet until I look at what I have. And I'm like, I kind of want to do this. And I kind of want to do that. Which one should I do? Maybe I'll do this today and I'll do that tomorrow. Or I'll do that in the next video or whatever. Like, that's kind of how it goes. So, I'm using the Jeffree Star palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. One of the little quads. I'll put everything down below. And like I always do, I put shade and everything I use in the description, showing in order of how I use it. So I kind of was just sitting there and I was like, well, I kind of want to do a more normal look, and then I kind of feel like doing something with a pop of color, even though I didn't feel like doing like extreme dramatic, obviously, because I'm going to a banquet for work functions. So I thought, you know what, let's do normal but a little dramatic with pop of color. Slightly dramatic because it's nighttime. So that's kind of what I did. I used Maroon as my pop of color, and I used some shimmers as well. And I did kind of like it's not a cut crease, but it's a quad lightest to darkest transition look is what I kind of did. If you're curious about my nails as well, I actually did them with polygel, and that was the first time I ever used polygel. And so if you guys are curious of how I did it, or if you guys want to ever see a video of it, let me know down in the comments below. I wouldn't mind making a video. It was complicated to do, because since it was the first time, obviously I'm learning how to do it. But if you guys want to see a video of how to do polygel, let me know. I kind of liked using it. It was easier than acrylic. It's kind of like using acrylic, but it's sticky. It's very strange. But yeah, so if you guys want to see a video from me for that, let me know down in the comments below. Like I've been saying in other videos, I am a full licensed esthetician. I'm a full specialist. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see from me, besides just makeup, because that's normally what I like doing. And lately I'm incorporating a lot more esthetician type things, so I am able to do waxings, nails, makeup, like of course, and facials, devices, tips and tricks, which I have almost, I think about like almost the whole year planned out of video ideas of what I want to do. And so be on the lookout for that and be excited for that. I'm very excited about what I have planned, because it's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun time. If you're ready to go on that journey with me, let me know and suggest anything that you want to see from me I can talk about, or I can show you guys. Let me know. I don't mind doing it. And right now I'm kind of just putting up the finishing touches. I'm doing my mascara. I always leave that towards the end. And I really like how this makeup looks. I feel like I probably will be doing a similar makeup with using probably different colors, honestly, because I really liked how this looked. I loved the transition and the way it went together perfectly, and I got a lot of compliments too on my makeup and my nails and stuff. So I was very pleased with the way it looked. So if you guys are gonna recreate this look or it gives you inspiration, let me know. Tag me if you guys post anything. I would love to see it. And yeah, so I'm just putting up the finishing touches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watching it, and I hope you guys recreate this look or do something similar or gives you inspiration for it. And yeah, so if you guys have any other looks you want me to do, any palettes you want me to try, any makeup brands or styles you want me to do, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know any kind of videos you guys want me to see, if you want me to give you tips and tricks about anything esthetician wise, anything makeup wise, whatever. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification. Go check out more of my videos where I do more looks like this, and now I'm posting more esthetician related videos like nails, facials, and stuff, so be on the lookout for that. Follow me on my socials. I am Aesthetic Spec Carson on TikTok, as long as TikTok is still around. It's around for now, at least, and Instagram. So I'll link it down below as well, and I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, so go check out any of my other videos, like I've said. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever this reaches you, and I'll see you in the next video.